So I've been like down for a minute. I was having memory storage problems, and then a whole lot of stuff happened, and I got sidetracked. So I've been down since like October 23rd or something like that was my last video. Um, yeah. So I had to fix that. Now I'm back. Hopefully, because I got other stuff going on. I'm not tripping, not complaining. Just yeah, life is gonna life. So anyway, back with some more construction videos. This is me working on the belt, looking at the buckles. I gotta find a different way to do these buckles, really though. Cause putting that hole, that it's not a grommet, it's a eyelet where the buckle spire, I guess that's what it's called, that piece that goes in the hole. I don't like that. So I'm thinking about trying something different. I like the buckles. I just don't like the putting that eyelet in there because it creates bulk. So yeah, I wanted to speed this up because this is actually 3 videos and it's 40 minutes long. So, but anyway, that's me making the loops for the belt end to go in. It was a trip, y'all, because I was going through it. I was going through it. And everything is still not fixed. There are still some issues I'm having with the computer. I don't have the money to get it fixed. So I really need y'all to buy these dresses, okay? They're not perfect. I know they're not perfect. But I'm working on it, you know. And you guys see me here, you can watch me make them, you know. It's not like I'm sending them off to a foreign country. And again, I have nothing against sending stuff off to a foreign country. I'm just not doing that. You know, I'm missing my my overlay. I kind of miss my overlays. I wonder if I'm going to throw it in after the fact. Anyways, I still have a memory issue problem, storage issue. There are things called junctions, and there are 2 more hard links and something else. And when I started putting these videos in the D drive, I didn't know. I'm gonna just say I probably didn't know what I was doing because I created these phantom links, and these phantom links link back to the original video. So this video right here and all the videos are stored on the D drive, but they're also linked to my main C drive, and the computer is just a computer. So it is actually adding the memory from these videos in my D drive, and it's calculating them as if they are also in my C drive, and so it's eating up memory to the tune of almost 400 gigabytes. Yeah, so I had to fix that, and I went in there and I messed something up, and so now my screensaver is not working, and my front screen is black. I had to do a bunch of stuff. So anyway, like I said, it's still not fixed, but I got to keep going. So I got to work on that later. In the meantime, I got to put these videos back up, and that's why I made this time lapse, because I don't have 40 minutes to mess around and just rant on like I usually do. I gotta go pay the rent. I gotta fix my I got to go pay the rent. I got to fix my serger. My serger that I brought, my Ricard, is not sewing properly. So I got to fix that. And I almost messed that up. And then I had my mom's serger, brand spanking new hobby lock for Faf. Brand spanking new, still in the box. They put it together like crap. I've taken it apart. I filmed myself because I got all these damn cameras so I wouldn't, forget how to put it or not know how to put it back together. So right now I have a whole brand spanking new Faf machine on a table taken apart. And I still can't get to the part where I need to get to. When they put it, like I said, when they put it together, they put it together like crap. When I started taking it apart, all the screws on the outside shell were loose. The thing was rattling like a damn diesel engine. I said, life is gonna life. So now I got the needle shaft, not the needle where the needle is held, but the whole shaft. It just slides loosely. And so that also isn't working. So I have 2 sergers that aren't working. I mean, anyway, yeah, I got to fix that. So, and I don't have time to sit here for 40 minutes and go back and forth, telling stories like I really want to. I got to fix that. I have to fix it and then put it back together and then see if I can fix my serger as well. So, I might not be 7 nights a week for a while here because I have to do a lot of stuff. But I will try to get back on schedule. Yeah. So you guys like, comment, share, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Buy my dresses. The giveaway is still up. You saw the advertisement. The giveaway is still there. Once I reach 2,500, I'm going to give that dress away. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Stay blessed. Fortunate. Whatever.